Hello children, CBSE class 11th math chapters, math formulas we are going to learn in this video. Chapter 1 sets, and likewise we are going to learn chapter wise important formulas from each chapter. Okay, welcome to Math Notebook channel children. Okay, chapter 1. Now first we are going to learn chapter 1 sets. Okay, sets topic we have the important formulas. The topic we have union of two sets A and B are said to be contained elements that are either in set A and set B. The union of A and B is denoted as A union B. The union is denoted as union, like this symbol we have to denote A union B. Okay, set A and set B, the union, if you have to denote union we use U like symbol. Okay, the intersection of two sets A and B are said to be contained elements that in common in both sets, and intersection is denoted as intersection, and A intersection B we have to write like this. Okay, now complement of a set A. Complement means is the set of all elements given in the universal set U that are not contained in A. The complement of A is denoted as A power dash or A complement, we used to read it as. For any two sets A and B, the following holds true. The De Morgan's theorem, what is the De Morgan's theorem? A union B complement equal to, opposite we have to use the symbol A complement intersection B complement. If A intersection B complement is given, we use union symbol. Okay, A complement union B complement. Okay, this is De Morgan's theorem children. Now infinite set A and B are given such that A intersection B is equal to pi or psi, we used to read this symbol. Then n of A union B is equal to, this is n of A plus n of B. So we have to write addition symbol whenever union is given for two sets, that is n of A union B. Okay, we have to add n of A plus n of B, number of elements in A and number of elements in B. Okay, next one in what, in sets topic only. If A union B is equal to psi, then A union B is equal to, what is the formula? N of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So this one is here extended as minus n of A intersection B. Okay, some other important formulas of sets for any three sets A, B, C are as follows. If three sets are given, we have different types of formulas children. Here for example A minus A, we have to remember these important formulas. Okay, before going to exam we have to take out the list of formulas of each chapter and we have to remember every formula. A minus A is not 0, it is null pi. Okay, now next B minus A means from B we have to subtract A, means A complement, that one, and B intersection A complement. Next one is B minus A can be written as B minus A intersection B. Okay, A minus B is equal to A. If A intersection B is equal to pi, null pi is given. Okay, null set. Okay, A minus B intersection C equal to A intersection C minus B intersection C, and A delta B means A minus B, and union here B minus A. Now n of A union B means number of elements of A and B. We have to write n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Okay, now A union B union C, here three sets are given, so that we have to use this formula whenever three sets are given. A, n of A, number of elements in A, number of elements in B, and C. Next we have to subtract B intersection C and A intersection B and A intersection C. We have to write addition symbol here, n of A intersection B intersection C. Okay, now n of A minus B is, we have to subtract from A union B minus n of B. N of A minus B means n of A minus n of A intersection B. Here complement is there. N of A complement is n of universal set we have to take, and the set we have to subtract the number of elements of A. That is universal set n of A, n of U minus n of A. And if given n of B complement or C complement, we have to take n of universal set minus n of B. Okay, like that. N of U is equal to n of A plus n of B. Okay. Now, what we have given here, minus n of A intersection B plus n of A union B complement. Now, next one is n of A union B complement equal to n of universal set plus A intersection B minus n of A minus n of B. If complement is given, we have to use this formula. Okay, universal set is, this is formula, and A complement or this one is applied for B, C. Okay, next one is, this is chapter 2. Okay, a relation R is the what is relation? This can be asked in multiple choice questions. Okay, now a relation R is subset of Cartesian product of A cross B. We read it as A cross B. Okay, A and B are two non-empty elements, and it is derived by stating the relationship between the first element and second element and ordered pair of A cross B. Okay, inverse of relation. A and B, if relation and we have inverse of a relation, and A and B are any two non-empty sets, then this is the chapter of relations and functions. Chapter 2, we have some important formulas in this chapter. So let us revise these chapters. Okay, let R be a relationship between two sets A and B. Then inverse of a relation R is given as, indicated as R power minus 1. That is inverse of R is relationship that connects B and A, and is defined as R inverse is B comma A, and A comma B belongs to R. Okay, this is the inverse of R. A comma B is reverse, we have to write, that is B comma A, then that becomes R inverse. Okay, domain of R is range of R inverse, and range of R is domain of R inverse. Okay, now function. What is function? A relation from a set of A to set B is said to be a function. Here functions, we have a relation f from a set A to B set is said to be a function. Okay, relation from a set A to a set B is said to be a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. That is, if Cartesian product A cross B of two sets A and B is given by A cross B is equal to A comma B, A belongs to A, B belongs to B. Okay, now A comma B is equal to X comma Y, then A equal to X and B equal to Y, because we have every image, we have every element, we have only one image, that is A to X and B to Y. Okay, so every element we have one and only image in set B. Then n of A is equal to X and n of B equal to Y. Okay, n of A means A set and B means element, that is from set A. That is n of A is equal to X, n of B means Y. So n of A cross B is equal to XY. Okay, Cartesian product is given as A cross B is not equal to B cross A. It is always not equal to, if it is equal or not equal. Cartesian product can be written as A cross B is not equal to B cross A. When we are applied, when in examples this can be possible or it can be not possible. Okay, now next one is a function from set A to set B considered as a specific relation type where every element x in set A has one and only one image in set B. A function can be denoted as f of A to B where f of x equal to y. So this is the function we have to write whenever a image in from element A we have only image in B. So that can be denoted in function that is f of x equal to y. Okay, algebra functions can be f of x from x to r and g is x to r. We have some examples, some formulas, important formulas in functions, that is f plus g of x is equal to, that is f of x plus g of x. F minus g of x means f of x minus g of x. This is addition, subtraction and product. Okay, k is a constant here and it is a real number. Okay, k f of x means k can be written outside and we have to multiply f of x function. F by g of x, this is division. F of x by g of x, we have to separate the functions and multiply f of x by g of x. G of x not equal to 0. It must be not equal to 0. Denominator is always not equal to 0. Now next chapter is trigonometric functions. This is circle of, if an circle radius r and arc of a length L subtends an angle of theta radians, then I equal to r into theta. Then radian measure is can be denoted as, and it is given in the multiple choice questions, children. What is the radian measure? Okay, that is pi by 180 into degree measure, and degree measure is 180 by pi in radian measure. Okay, now some of the important ratios of trigonometric and ratios reciprocal trigonometrics are there. We have to revise this for exam. Sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse and cos theta means base by hypotenuse. If triangle is given like this is base and this is opposite side and this is 90 degrees A, B, C. This is hypotenuse. Long length is called hypotenuse side. Okay. Now tan theta means sin theta by cos theta, that is hypotenuse get cancelled. We remain with P by B. Now cosec theta, that is hypotenuse by 1 by sin theta. And sec theta means what? 1 by cos theta, that is hypotenuse by base. Cot theta means cos by sin, children. So we have to remember the short forms of every ratio. Okay, cot means cos by sin, tan means sin by cos, like this we have to remember. Now reciprocal trigonometry ratios. This is sin theta equal to, we can use in problems, we can write this sin theta in the form of cosec theta, that is 1 by cosec theta. And cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. Cos theta is 1 by sec theta. Okay. In sec theta we write 1 by cos theta, or cos theta we use 1 by sec theta. Sec theta is 1 by cos theta and tan theta we can write as 1 by cot theta. Okay. Cot theta means 1 by tan theta. Like this, these ratios, and this is the ratio and this is the reciprocal of these ratios. Okay. Now next one is trigonometric chapter. We have more formulas, so list of formulas we have to remember. So many formulas are there, children, so go through this video completely so that you can revise every chapter formula. So this is the part 1 of 3 chapters. I will upload next video part 2 of next chapters. Okay, like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos, interesting videos on math topics. Okay, continue watching of my videos in my channel. Okay, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. There are some of complementary angles that are sin 90 minus theta means cos theta. These are cos 90 minus theta, like this we have formulas. Okay, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Cosec means sec, sec means cosec. Okay, cot means tan, tan means cot, like this. Now periodic trigonometric ratios. Now some of these important ratios, that is pi by 2 means 180 by 2. Okay, sin 180 by 2 minus theta, cos theta. This can be written in the form of like this also. Sin pi minus theta, pi by 2. This is 180 minus theta, we get sin theta. Okay, cos 180 minus theta. This one is cos 90 minus theta, that is sin theta. But cos 180 minus theta, we get minus cos theta. So remember these formulas perfectly, children. Sin 180 plus theta means minus sin theta. We get all minus signs here. Pi and pi here, 2 pi, 2 pi. So these are all minus only. See, sin 180 minus theta, sin theta. Cos 180 minus theta, cos theta. Sin 180 plus theta minus sin theta. So vice versa we have. These are all important formulas. So go through this video completely. These are identities. Okay, you have identities. We have to remember this for using in problems. Whenever we have to use in formula, use in problems only. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Always we have to use this. Okay, if you get this perfectly, then you can use this formula in many ways you can format this, like sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, children, and if you remember this one, we can write it as cot square theta equal to 1 minus cosec square theta. Okay, cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Okay, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. That can be written as in this form and in this form also. Product of some formulas. Sin x sin y 1 by 2 cos x minus y minus cos x plus y. Cos x cos y, sin x cos y, and cos x sin y. These are combination of sin, cos, sin. Okay. Now sum to product formulas. Sin x plus sin y. These are sum, addition and subtraction. These are product of sin and cos, and both sin, cos and sin, and both cos. In this also same, sin x plus sin y, 2 sin into x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Okay, children, sin x minus sin y and cos x plus cos y means 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. This inner bracket is same for every formula, but here changes, the ratios changes. Okay, 2 for every formula. Okay, cos x cos y, cos x minus y. Okay, now next one is general trigonometric formulas. Sin x plus sin y, cos x plus cos y. These are, I have already shown you, that is separated values, separated ratios, but these are in bracket. Sin x plus y means we have to expand this. Sin x plus sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y, like this. Cos x plus y, cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y, like this. Okay, now if there are no angles xy and x plus or y in odd multiple of pi by 2, then tan x plus y, tan x minus y is the formula. And if there are angles, no angles x comma y, x plus or minus y is an odd multiple of pi, then we have cot x plus y and cot x minus y. Formulas for twice of angles, that is sin 2 theta. These are important, children. 2 sin theta cos theta. And in tan formation, we have to write 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. If sin 2 theta can be written as tan theta form. Cos 2 theta, cos square theta minus sin square theta. And this also can be written as 1 minus 2 sin theta. And tan theta form, we have to use this one. Tan 2